I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award winning Screed. Today I'm here to talk about Pliteq GenieMat. When it comes to flooring underlayment, there is nothing better than Pliteq GenieMat. It is an amazing non-profiled underlayment mat that goes directly under the screed, whether it is concrete, wood or steel. Pliteq GenieMat is the perfect underlayment you've been looking for. It is a non-profile variant, which means that the sheet is flat and there are no textures on top. It's a must-have for commercial high-risers to meet with building regulations. Pliteq GenieMat is made from 94% recycled rubber and is engineered to minimise sound transmission through the floor. It is equally effective for residential properties and commercial properties. Your home, school, hospital or any other construction can benefit from Pliteq GenieMat. Pliteq GenieMat comes in two different variants. One is GenieMat FF03NP, which is the 3mm version. The other one is called GenieMat FF05NP, which comes in a 5mm thickness. In terms of functionality, the 5mm works better than the 3mm. The reason behind this is the extra 2mm thickness. The thicker the underlayment is, the more it can reduce sound transmission. Pliteq GenieMat is delivered on rolls. The dimensions and specifications are slightly different between the two different sizes. The 3mm variant of Pliteq GenieMat is 1.22 metres wide, while the length is a hefty 22.84 metres. The thickness for the entire roll is 3mm and the roll weighs around 52 kilograms. You can cover an area of 27.87 square metres with one roll. On the other hand, the 5mm variant comes in a 1.22 metres roll again, same as the 3mm version, but this Pliteq GenieMat is shorter in length and measures 9.14 metres. But the roll weighs more than the 3mm version at 53 kilograms to be precise. The extra thickness throughout the roll is the reason behind the condensed mass. The lead time is a maximum of 3 days, starting from the day of order. Pliteq GenieMat 3mm version has 15 rolls on a pallet and the 5mm version has 20 rolls. The hardness for both the resilient underlayment is the same at 40 durometers to be exact. While there are a lot of underlayment options, why should you go for Pliteq GenieMat? Well, because it is the best in class. The material is of a very high quality and the quality has been maintained through the entire manufacturing process. One of the main reasons for investing in Pliteq GenieMat is sound reduction. It is especially true for impact sounds. It is extremely easy to install and you can get your pallet within 3 working days. Pliteq GenieMat is completely resistant from mould, water, fungus and bacteria. Pliteq GenieMat is a resilient underlayment solution that is best in its class in terms of quality, functionality and cost effectiveness. We love to help. Contact us.